What's going on, RC community? Back again showing you another video of the Mojave Grom BLX. We know these been out for a while, but guys, these are awesome cars. They're fun to drive, easy to handle, just awesome truck. And I was at the hobby shop and was looking around and said, might as well get this one. So here it is, guys, the Mojave Grom BLX. But yeah, guys, like I said, I was at the hobby shop looking around. They didn't have what I needed, so I saw this bad boy. I didn't have it. I actually have the brush version one, which is awesome truck. So I was gonna make that brushless, but when Armour came out with the brushless Grom, I just waited and said I was gonna get one soon. So here it is. I decided to get the black one because I liked this color a little bit more than the other ones. Nothing against the other colors. And I didn't need a battery because I have battery and a charger from the brush version Grom. So, but this one right here caught my attention over the other ones. But yeah, guys, if you don't have none of these, they're definitely some fun RCs to have, especially the size. And with these being brushless now, definitely faster than what the brush version was, because we did have the brush version right here. Like I say, I didn't do nothing to it, but I got the brushless motor for it. I just was taking my time to put it in. But when Armour came out with the brushless ones, I just set it aside and said I'll buy the brushless one pretty soon. So that's what I did. But yeah, guys, I also picked up some what I get? I picked up some few little upgrades. I got some new wheels to put on there to see how they look. Got the wheelie bar. Got the mud guards. And got the CNHL 3S batteries. See how they is. Because I do have the XT60 connectors on it. So we'll see how these batteries hold up. But yeah, these are 70C 2200 milliamp by CNHL. But yeah, guys, let me throw all this stuff on and see how it look real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Man, he's a beauty. This thing is nice. Got the black wheels on there. I think it brought it out a lot. You guys let me know what your thoughts is. I like it. Switched it up a little bit. From these to those. Yeah, it's nice. I like it a lot. And then we added the wheelie bar in the back. Brought this thing out a lot. Kind of look like the big brother, the Mojave 6S, 4S. I did have the mud flaps, but with the wheelie bar, it was rugged. So we have to figure out another way later on and put these on there, because I definitely want to put them on there. It looked good, but it was rubbing against the wheels and it didn't look right. But I'll figure it out and get it put on there, because I definitely want it on there. But man, this black one, I don't know, guys. With the black wheels all blacked out, it definitely gave it a sporty look. Especially with the wheelie bar in the back. Yeah, this thing is nice. I like it. But yeah, guys, if you don't own none of the Armour Grom series, you're definitely missing out. We hoping that they do that brushless granite soon, so we can have that one to the collection. But yeah, I definitely like this. I do gotta like some lights coming. They was delayed. Other than that, I would have did it with this unboxing. But you know how the mail is, so they saying they'll be here Wednesday, so I got a couple more days. Then I'm gonna add them bad boys on and see how they look with this little light kit that they got for these things. But yeah, can't wait to get out and see how it performs. We dealing with rain, snow, mixture, so I don't know when I'm gonna be able to get this thing out. But hopefully next week at least. Get this one out. Try them out with these CNHL batteries. See what these do. I heard them are some good batteries. But yeah, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you like it. Let me know what you think. At first, I thought about some chrome wheels, but it was too much black, not enough chrome on there, so that's why I stayed away from the chrome wheels. But I'm definitely digging these black wheels, and I like the tire thread on them too. They definitely nice. But yeah, guys, check it out. But other than that, you guys have a good one. Thanks for checking out the channel. It's been one. You'll see a next video on the speed run I get out of it with these tires on. But all right, fellas, y'all have a good one. Thanks for checking out the channel. Until next time, continue to drive whatever you got. Get out there and drive it. Enjoy the hobby. And I'll talk with you later.